You can actually preserve for talking.
Try something new.
Yes.
Really?
Reserve my energies to myself.
So silly. One more?
Who's silly? Who's being silly?
Have you guys taken her to snow yet? Oh
Yeah, we
that's
took
right.
her
You go
like
home.
2 weekends ago.
That's right. Well,
How'd she like
also when
that?
you go back to.
Where's Olivia?
She liked to eat the snow.
Olivia, where'd you go?
She was in Idaho.
There you are.
There's snow there.
Peekaboo. Here, honey, do it with this.
It's really good. Pat, you got some
Olivia,
empty spots on your
go.
plate? Beautiful. Now this is good.
Say peekaboo.
Boo!
Peekaboo.
How do you say so thin?
He just burns
You know,
everything
that has been the question my family has been asked
for 39 years.
Is it 40 years in April?
39.
Yeah. No,
40 in April.
Well, April.
In fact, it used to be that we would just say like, okay, let Patty do it. Just, you know, pass it to
Whenever
Pat.
nobody could
Give
say
it,
anything,
you know, give it to
garbage
Pat, give it
disposal.
to Pat. You know, let's just see how much it could do. Just like, yeah, I mean, piling in. Amazing.
Gracias, Pablo. Snack.
You can have that after.
Oh,